Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MG4120 printer driver software package on your Windows, Mac, or Linux computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to look for Canon PIXMA MG4120 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result on here should say Canon support for PIXMA MG4120. Go ahead and select that. And then you can scroll down underneath downloads and select software and drivers. And then select, again, if the operating system or version number is incorrect, select the appropriate one. And then going down a little bit further here, you want to select the item that says My Printer version. It looks like it's 3.3 is probably the last version of this that was released by Canon. Select Download, because you can see it's no longer available or supported up here. So go ahead and run that file once it's downloaded to your computer, and make sure it's a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select Yes. You can close out of the web browser. Select Next on this prompt and select your region. Select your country or region and then select Yes to continue with the license agreement. You can change the installation destination folder if you want by selecting Browse, but you shouldn't have to. And select Next and give this some time to run. And then you can select Complete. And that is pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.